Hi, I'm Seng. So today to share with you what is Microsoft SQL Server Runtime. This one means that when your AutoCount database is more than 10 GB and you need to buy additional license, which is the Microsoft SQL Server Runtime, in order to expand the storage. So I will teach you how to check your storage, and you need to buy for it only 888 ringgit 40 cents per account book. Thank you. First, go to your main server that install AutoCount, then go to this PC, click on your C drive. Then you can see there's the AutoCount data. Double click it. So you can sort by size. So you see the biggest size for my current file is 59 MB. So for the maximum is 10 GB. If your Microsoft SQL Server Runtime file is more than 10 GB, then you need to purchase. Then it will extend up to 128 TB per account book. So you got 5 account book, then you need to buy 5 times. Then you will receive a Microsoft certificate in PDF after 6 months. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Post, find Seng.
找post system, 找Seng.